Hey guys, Mr. Gucci here. I'm just going to walk through the PowerPoint presentation from today, Thursday, September 11th, which was a D-Day. Period one, you're a day ahead, so you are seeing this on Wednesday the 10th, so don't get it twisted, okay? Your pre-class activity was to follow the link on the stream to go get the Cami app from the Google Chrome store and download it. Alternately, just Google Cami, Google Chrome store, and add it to Chrome. You're going to need it for today's attendance and homework assignment, okay? So every day we have a theme, okay? First day was get to know each other. No, first day was introduce the course. Second day was get to know each other. Day three is becoming familiar with some of the tools that we're going to be using, okay? Um, by the way, don't forget you guys had that classroom survey, that calendar builder activity, and your avatars. You should try and get those all done by the end of the week if you've not already done so. Okay, so the first tool we talked about today was Peardeck. And Peardeck is actually going to be pretty simple. When you first log in to our meeting, you're going to see a link to go to Peardeck, and you're going to see a code to join the Peardeck activity. Follow that code. You might need to log in with your Abington account. I'm still messing with that. I'll give you more instructions as that comes in. Now, Peardeck is pretty cool because what it does is it's a website that shows you what's on my PowerPoint presentation as I'm doing it in class. But then interspersed, there will be questions. So as we're going through this PowerPoint, you'd be watching this on the Pear Deck website. When we hit this slide, a question would appear that you have to answer. And the question is, how many other teachers have you working with Pear Deck this year? And this would be a multiple choice question that would show you some options like Mr. Gucci's the first, one or two other teachers are doing it, three or more teachers are doing it. Okay? So you'll answer these questions as you go, and there's a bunch of different formats. For example, here's one where you would drag and drop a disc onto your face to represent that you are present for attendance and also cover your face. So, as quick as possible, cover up your face so your classmates can't see you. Okay? Or Pear Deck is pretty cool because you can allow you to actually draw pictures on a blank slide, and I'd get to see those pictures and share them either anonymously or if you want to take credit for your art. So that's gonna be a cool way how, like, in the middle of a presentation, I'll be like, "Hey, draw a picture of this molecule based on what we talked about," and you'd all be able to draw me molecules, and we could show it to each other and see what was good and what needed a bit more work. So that's pretty cool. All right, we'll do more on that in the future. The next tool was Cami, which is another cool tool I was introduced to this summer, which was, by the way, rhymes with clammy. All right, Cami. It's not Kami or Kami. It's Cami. Okay, it allows you to take PDF files online and write on them, draw on them, highlight them, treat them like it's your own personal document. Okay, which is great for right now when we can't print stuff out. Okay, so you're going to want to go to the classwork tab in Google Classroom. Okay, you're going to want to find and open up the PDF in the assignment called syllabus, read and sign, and yeah, and you're going to want to open up that assignment. Click it, and then from the drop down on top, there's going to be a little section that says open with, and you're going to select open with Cami. Okay, and when you open it, you're going to have a lot of options. You have a drawing tool. You can draw all over the document. Okay, you can type stuff in using a text box. So what I want you to do is I want you to read the syllabus. It's all of our class rules for now and how grading works. And I want you to sign the syllabus at the bottom using your drawing tool. And then I want you to print your name out using a text box tool. So that essentially it'll be just like you filled and signed and turned in a syllabus normally. Okay, so that's what you're going to have to do. This isn't a very in-depth description of how Cami works because I posted a separate video on how to log in and use Cami, which I went over in class today. Okay, by the way, when you're done making any edits in the upper right corner of the file, just using Cami, just save it. Just save it, and that's all I need to see, and I will be able to open up your document and see all the edits and changes that you made. Okay, once it's done, once you get your parent to sign it too, you're going to want to submit the file in Google Classroom. Don't submit it in Cami. Okay, anyways, that's it. Your attendance assignment is open up Cami and sign your name at the bottom of the syllabus. All right, and get your parents to sign it sometime this week. Don't forget, Friday, your class schedule calendar, and don't forget to finish up your Bitmoji page, okay? Good luck, everyone.